Well, good morning everyone. This is George Beiruth here giving you the market report for Friday morning, the 21st of November. The company is FS Securities. We are a stockbroking firm located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. A bit more about the company later in this presentation. Let me start with a disclaimer. Everything I say here is for general advice only and general information. Before you take any action, please consult with your professional advisor or talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it, and we are just one phone call away. Yesterday I showed you where our XJO, the ASX200 index option trading were in the morning before the market opened, and I indicated that should the market open and close at when the option expires above 5325, the winning positions that most of our clients had. We had some large clients, medium-sized clients and small clients. Well, just to let you know that it did actually finish at 5340, around that level, which was above the 5325, and most of our clients made some money on the XJO. And I also mentioned this morning that the next challenge for us will be the various positions that we have available at the moment, which will close next Thursday. Now let me go through the data that we have this morning for you. We start with Wall Street, where we woke up this morning and we saw that Wall Street finished slightly higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished at 17,719, and that was actually up just 0.2%. And the S&P 500 index finished up 4 points, or 0.3%, at 2,049. Still very close to the all-time high. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index that comprises several European major markets was actually down by 0.7% and finished at 3,102. In London, the FTSE 100 index was down 0.3% at 6,678. And in Japan, the index, the Nikkei index, was steady around the 17,300, and in China also the market was steady at 2,537. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at 1,194, that is US per ounce, and that is up $11 from this time yesterday. Silver at $16.20, up 10 cents overnight. And oil at 75.6 US a barrel, it's up $1.20, or nearly 1.5%. Copper, the world's economic barometer, was down 0.7% at 301 cents per pound. And iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, recovered 1.1% at 70.9 US a ton. Still around the lowest level in 5.5 years. On the currencies, our dollar is now 86.3 US cents, 101.8 Japanese yen, and 68.8 euro cents, and 55 British pence. And these, of course, are intra-banks rates. On our market yesterday, the year's gains on the share market have been wiped out after another poor day driven by slumping iron ore prices. A flat finish on Wall Street on Wednesday gave investors no direction, and the market headed downwards from the opening bell, with the sell-off accelerating in late trade. The broader All Ordinaries index finished 1% lower at 5,316. The best performer amongst the leaders, Bramble, was up 0.4% despite the carnage in the market. The worst performers, we have Woolworths down 3%. That makes it now more than 15% drop in the last few weeks. It was followed by RIA yesterday, which was down 2.7%. The best sector, well, unfortunately there was nil, simply because all sectors were down yesterday. Local shares appear set to open slightly higher on the back of positive economic data from the United States. The SPAR futures contract was showing 13 points higher a short time ago, indicating flat to slightly positive start when the market opens in less than an hour. On the economic news, well, there is none from the local market. However, in Europe we have the Eurozone consumer confidence, which is important, of course. And in the United States we have the natural gas storage data that will indicate whether there is enough or there isn't enough storage for natural gas. Remember that Northern Europe and Northern America is entering the cold season, and you may have seen on TV that there were very heavy snowfall in some part of the United States on the eastern side. Okay, well, I'd like to show you a snapshot of the 10 best performing companies amongst the top 200. Interestingly enough, Atlas Iron, despite the drop in the price of iron, it actually, the oil or iron, of course, iron ore, was actually up 5%. Cap Charge was up 2%, Oil Search up 2%, TPG up 1%. On the negative side, we have Arium, which is actually an iron ore producer, down nearly 5%. Northern Star, which is a gold producer, was down 5.6%. Flexley Group and Horizon Oil down more than 10%. We also give you what happened the day before, so you can compare to see if the same company has dropped 2 days in a row or 2 days on the upside. Alright, to finish off who I am, my name is George Beiruthi. I'm the director here at FS Securities. As you can see, I have many years of trading and investment experience and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to help our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. Well, who we are, as I mentioned, we're a stockbroking firm. Well, we are fully licensed, and we trade shares, options, commodities, CFDs, foreign exchange, and offer our clients a very attractive investment at 7% interest over 1 year, interest paid monthly, or 9% over 3 years, again interest paid monthly. Of course, the 9% that's per annum over 3 years. Also, we are financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. How to reach us? Well, our phone number is 61, that's the landline, that's the Australia code, and then 7 for Queensland, and the number is 56304141. I can be contacted by mobile 7 days a week. 610 for local calls, and the number is 411259526. You can write to me at george@fssecurities.com.au, or you can visit our website where you can see all our daily recommendations, daily scans, current trading positions and results. You'll also see our tutorials, education webinars, daily editorials, a lot of charts and a lot of information. And most importantly, you can see our current positions and our current results. So why don't you register right now for the 15-day free trial, and then if you like what you see, we're one phone call away. So that's all from us here at FS Securities. We will be back at 1:15 this afternoon to tell you what happened during the morning in the market, and finally have a fantastic day.